Click on the link below to get price. The Shiarffe X5 Smart Board is an impressive 65-inch interactive whiteboard that brings a blend of advanced technology and user-friendly features to any classroom or conference room. One of the standout aspects of this model is its stunning 4K resolution, which provides crystal-clear visuals, making presentations and collaborative work more engaging and effective. Whether used for displaying intricate diagrams or vibrant images, the clarity is remarkable, ensuring no detail goes unnoticed. The interactive capabilities of the X5 are particularly noteworthy. It supports multiple touchpoints, allowing several users to interact with the board simultaneously. This feature is perfect for collaborative projects, enabling seamless teamwork. The 8GB RAM ensures smooth performance, even when running multiple applications or displaying high-definition content. This responsiveness enhances the overall user experience, eliminating frustrating lag times that can disrupt learning or presentations. Installation is straightforward, and the board is compatible with various operating systems, making it versatile for different setups. The built-in software is intuitive, providing easy access to a wealth of educational and presentation tools. Users can annotate, save notes directly on the screen, and even connect to smartphones and tablets for a more integrated approach. The inclusion of wireless connectivity options further enhances the convenience, allowing for easy sharing and displaying of content from portable devices. Durability is another strong point. The Shiarffe X5 is built with high-quality materials that can withstand daily use in busy environments. The anti-glare surface ensures visibility under different lighting conditions, a crucial aspect in classrooms or conference rooms. While the price point may be higher than traditional whiteboards, the advanced features and capabilities justify the investment. In a world increasingly reliant on technology for education and collaboration, the Shiarffe X5 Smart Board stands out as a valuable tool that enhances productivity and engagement, making it a worthwhile addition to any professional or educational setting.